welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to create business page in Facebook. Before starting, click subscribe button for more videos. So let's start. First of all, log in into Facebook account in your browser. Here you can see Pages tab. Now click on Create Page. Insert your page title here. Select your business or page category. It is required, so I am selecting Information Technology Company. Now add description of your business like this. Click on Create Page button. It will save your details and create your page. If you want to add logo, then click on Add Profile Picture. I am selecting this user image as my logo. You can see the logo has been added into my page profile pic. Now, if you want to add cover photo for your page, then click here and select image. The cover has been updated. Now click Save button. So finally your page has been completed. If you want to post anything, then click on Create Post. You can write anything here. You can add image also in this post. I am selecting this emoji as my post image. Click Post button to post your content. If you want to add your website into page, you can add it from here like this. You can add locations too. Here, you can add working hours according to days for your business. If you want to add call button in page for customers, then click Action button. Here, you can add button Call Now button also. Enter your phone number so that customers can directly call you from this button. Hope this tutorial will help you to create your business page. Thanks for watching this video. Click subscribe button for more videos.